Hey Luke, um, looking over your menu, it looks like you got a lot of variety for both breakfast and lunch. Got left plenty of options. Um, Looks like you did a good job of mixing up you got like a main entree option. They can like get like mini corn dogs or the turkey and cheese sandwich or chicken bites, meatball sub. I think it's interesting how you did that. And then for like all your sides, you mixed in nutritional foods like broccoli, celery, cucumber, and fruit. And it looks like you put foods in that would uh, be appealing to children in elementary school, middle school, or even high school. So I think you did a good job.